माझे एकूच म्हणणे पीपल आर सुप्रीम. इन द डेमोक्रेसी दीस हॅपन्स. आमकां जाय त्याचोच वारो मारलो जाल्यार मातशें दुसरो बदल जावपाचो. तसो दुसरे खूब उलयताले की बीजेपी 14 सीट दोगूय ना, गेले ते खेपे 13 आयले जाल्यार तेज्यावन कमी आंकडो येतलो म्हूण. नाव एज आय टोल्ड बिफोर आय स्टेप्ड इन द काउंटिंग हॉल आमकां कशेंय करून 21 सीट मेळटली म्हूण. आतांय आमी 21चेर ऑलमोस्ट पावल्ले आसा. कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना एक उणें आसल्यार. हांव एकूच सांगपाक शकता, आमची बीजेपी एक नॅशनल पार्टी. आमचे व्हडले व्हडले लिडर आसा. हांव समजता एक विश्वगुरू कशें तेका मानता. द टॉलेस्ट लिडर इन इंडिया आमचे मान्य प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी, मागीर अमित शाह जी आसा गृहमंत्री, हे इतले व्हडले लिडर जेन्ना आसा, हे पार्टीन एक प्रोसिजर आसा. The central parliamentary board decides and these two leaders decide who is going to take the leadership in a state. I will go by the decision of the BJP High Command. इतलेच म्हणपाक शकता. In fact, I want to place on record that I knew in any case I am winning. Only the margin was to be seen. And I did not get margin as expected because I know who all were helping him, because they did not want Movin to be the senior most member coming 7 times continuously. It creates a different ball game in the Goan politics. So as against that background, I am more than happy that I have won by more than 1,500 votes, which is a huge margin considering the size of our constituencies.